If you love training your dog and you love music, Canine Musical Freestyle is the perfect fit for you and your dog. If you haven't tried it yet, now's your chance. I'm Judy, the owner of Dogs Can Dance, and I'm here in my training space. I'll be offering a Zoom live workshop that can be done worldwide from your own home. I'll be able to show you ideas here on this floor. I'll be able to watch you try out the ideas and give you suggestions. So if you're interested as a beginner or even someone who's been in the sport and is starting over again, this is the perfect time for you to really get that nudge and start training the sport of freestyle again. The date is Friday, May 2nd at 4 o'clock Pacific time or Saturday, May 3rd at 1 o'clock Pacific time. You choose the workshop. They'll be both the same. It's a 50-minute workshop. The cost is $25, and like I said, it's available worldwide as long as you have internet access. If you have questions, you can always email me at judy@dogscandance.com. If you love dancing, you love training your dog, you love music, this is the sport for you.